Imagine you had a problem where you need to extract specific text from a larger chunk of text. This can be quite common, and it can lead to unwanted results if not handled properly. The solution provided addresses this issue in a concise and effective manner. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to use the re.sub function instead of re.findAll to remove the unwanted parts of the text. This approach allows you to clearly define what should be kept and what should be removed. By setting up alternatives in the Regex pattern, you can accurately target the text that needs to be eliminated. Taking a closer look at the code snippet, the Regex pattern \\d plus \caret** is designed to match the unwanted parts of the text. The replacement is set to \1, which ensures that the desired text is preserved while the undesirable parts are removed. This method provides a clear and effective way to clean up the text. Continuing with the explanation of the solution, the code snippet provided showcases how the Regex pattern is applied to a specific title. By running re.sub, the unwanted text within the title is successfully removed, leaving behind only the desired information. The comparison between the original title, the updated title, and the expected outcome demonstrates the effectiveness of the Regex pattern and the replacement process. Further enhancing the Regex pattern, an updated version is presented to address situations where a space occurs before or after the text to be removed. This refinement ensures a more thorough cleanup of the text, taking into account additional variations that may appear in the data. To wrap up, the solution efficiently tackles the problem of extracting specific text while eliminating extraneous information. By utilizing Regex and the re.sub function, unwanted text can be easily identified and removed, resulting in a cleaner and more refined output. Remember, when in doubt about text extraction, Regex is your friend. And that's a wrap. Remember, subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Have a Regex-tastic day.